Hello students, welcome to StudyWin. So today we are going to do chapter number 2 of class 12th, that is Principles of Management. Basically student, principles are guideline. They lead us that how we have to work, in which sense we can do our work, which process we can follow. Okay, so basically principle lead us. It's give us the guideline to do our work. Students, you can follow us on Instagram by the StudyWin page. Okay, in this page we put some amazing and important facts, so you can follow us on Instagram page, that it's StudyWin. So first we are going to do meaning what principle of management is. Principle of management are broader and general guidelines for managerial decision making and behavior. So student, point out this guideline. That means focus on guidelines. Principles are what? It's a guideline. It give us a direction, it lead us. Okay, and it's not compulsory that we have to follow this, but it is just a help for the process we are doing in a management. Okay, so and we can alter it according to our needs. So it can be alteration, it can be flexible. Now, nature of principles of management. Nature means what all characteristic its process possess, what all behavior it have. So basically student, first one is universally applicable. Principle of management is universally applicable. Second is general guidelines. It provides general guidelines. Formed by practice and experimentation. It is formed by doing experimentation, observation. It is flexible, as I have already told you. We can change it according to our needs, so it is flexible. Mainly behavioral. It's focus on a behavior. Okay. Cause and effect of relationship. Yes, any process any process you take, it must be having cause and its effect. अगर कुछ काम किया है तो उसका effect भी आएगा. Okay, so it's a cause and effect relationship. And last is contingent. So one by one we are going to do all the nature of principle. The first one is universal applicability. Universal applicability, that is, they can be applied in all type of organization. Okay, all type of organization, either it is business as well as non-business, small as well as large. Universal applicable means that management principle can be applied everywhere. Okay, like in school also, in hospitals also, in large organization also, in small organization also, in business organization, non-business, charitable, everywhere it can be applicable. Okay, हर जगह इसको applicable कर सकते हैं. That's why it is known as universal applicability. Next is general guidelines. As I've already told you that it provides guidelines. It's not providing the ready-made solution, but it's giving you a guidelines. Okay, it's just guiding you. General guidelines, they are general guidelines to action एंड डिसीजन मेकिंग. ओके, दैट मीन्स जो आप डिसीजन मेकिंग करते हो उसमें क्या करता है, ये हमको गाइड कर रहा है. However, they do not provide ready-made solution. Okay, they are not providing ready-made solution as the business environment is ever changing or dynamic. अगर ये रेडीमेड सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करता तो क्या होता है, हमारा बिजनेस, हमारा जो एनवायरनमेंट है वो कीप ऑन चेंजिंग, इट्स कीप ऑन चेंजिंग. सो दैट रेडीमेड सोल्यूशन तो इस पर एप्लीकेबल नहीं होते. तो ये क्या है, सिर्फ गाइडलाइन दे सकता है, थोड़ी सी हेल्प दे सकता है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम उसको मोल्ड कर लेते हैं कि दैट हाउ वी हैव टू वर्क. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्टूडेंट, लाइक आपके एग्ज़ाम्स होते हैं, 12th बोर्ड के आपके एग्ज़ाम होते हैं, तो आपको टीचर्स गाइड करती हैं दैट दिस वे यू हैव टू फॉलो द पैटर्न, यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन, यू हैव टू हाइड लाइन, यू हैव टू राइट इन पॉइंट्स. सो व्हाट वी आर गिविंग, वी आर गिविंग द जनरल गाइडलाइंस to you, but we are not giving the ready-made solution. Okay, we are not writing your paper. We are just giving you the guidelines. Same way in this principle of management, that they are the general guidelines. Next one is formed by practice and experimentation. Okay, all these principles, we are going to do many principles given by the two scientists. So all these principles given by them are all experiment and observation based. Okay, there are research work done on these principles, then they have made up. They are developed after thorough research and work on the basis of experience of manager. That means बहुत सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट किए गए, बहुत सारे एक्सपीरियंस लिए गए, तब जाके ये क्या हुआ है, प्रिंसिपल्स फॉर्म हुए हैं. ओके, सो इट्स नॉट अ रेडीमेड थिंग, इट्स अ रिसर्च वर्क, इट्स अ ऑब्जर्वेशन. पास्ट में बहुत सारे हमने ऑब्जर्वेशन किए, बहुत सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट किए, रिसर्च किए, तब जाके हमें पता चला हाँ भाई ये चीज़ सब चीज़ में फॉलो हो सकती है थोड़े थोड़े ऑल्ट्रेशन के साथ, इसलिए ये प्रिंसिपल फॉर्म किए गए. नेक्स्ट इज फ्लेक्सिबल. I have already told you in starting that principle of management is flexible, which can be adapted and modified by the practicing manager as per the demands of the situation, as they are man-made principle. Now they are what? Man-made principle, so we can alter it. हम इसको alter कर सकते हैं, modify हम इसको कर सकते हैं. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर सिचुएशन, जैसी हमारी सिचुएशन है, जैसी हमारी नीड है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग क्या कर सकते हैं, हम इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं. सो इट्स अ फ्लैक्सिबल. ओके, जैसा भी चाहें हम उस प्रिंसिपल में ऑल्ट्रेशन कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज मेनली बिहेवियर. Principles aim at influencing complex human behavior. They are behavioral in nature, okay, as they are influencing the complex human behavior. What all human behavior is there, they are influencing them. Okay, principles are what they are doing, they are influencing the employee, what to work, how they can work in a management, so all these things. So basically what these principles are for, they are influencing the behavior, which be human behavior. Okay, next is cause and effect of relationship. Cause and effect of relationship, they intend to establish relationship between cause and effect so that they can be used in similar situation. That means cause and effect कि हमें ये पता चलेगा इसमें कि किस situations में हमको कौन से प्रिंसिपल यूज़ करने हैं और उसका इफ़ेक्ट क्या होगा. मतलब अगर हम किसी पर्टिकुलर प्रिंसिपल को, वी आर यूजिंग पर्टिकुलर प्रिंसिपल इन अ सिचुएशन, देन व्हाट ऑल इफेक्ट इट हैज़. ओके, सो इट्स एस्टैब्लिश अ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन, ओके, रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन कॉज एंड इफेक्ट. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज कॉन्टिजेंट. Their applicability depend upon the prevailing situation at a particular point of time. Okay, it's depend upon the situations. Okay, which situation are causing, so it accordingly depend on a situation, that what all principle can be suited on a particular situation. Either it's not suiting or suiting, or it can be alter. So it according to the point of time and point of situation. Thank you. That's all. Share, like and subscribe. Study Win if you really like it.